The biggest questions in the kitchen.
Will Larry eat all the food before we start the segment? What's the other question?
Does Larry know where the kitchen is? What's the easiest way to cook a perfectly tender steak? This version is sure to have, like, all of you talking because it uses the air fryer to prepare a juicy cut of beef.
Oh, and to show us how to create this is content creator and cookbook author Steph De Sousa.
Yay, Steph.
Hey.
Good morning.
I like the fact Larry's got his own pre-plate because he picks so much.
Well, he'll
This smells
eat the
delicious.
display one that looks pretty, so I just
That's
come
smart.
prepared.
I think everyone who comes in should do that. A little plate for Larry.
Take us through. How do we air fry steak? I would have never
See,
thought of
it's
that.
really controversial, but
Yes.
it works really well, trust me. But there's a few secrets to making it delicious. So the first secret is that you need to add some spice to your steak because it'll give it some colour and it'll help the air fryer caramelise the outside of the steak. So, because obviously you're not searing it in a pan, so you need a bit of that caramelisation and a bit of colour. So to do that, I use a nice combination of smoked paprika, cumin, salt and pepper. The other really important thing is that you need to have your steak at room temperature. So you don't want it cold because you want it to cook nice and evenly. So you've got to start, take it out of the fridge, half an hour, depending on the temperature.
That's interesting.
Before you cook it. So,
Excuse me.
He's choking on his steak
choking
that he shoveled down.
Yeah.
And then...
it's probably karma, really, isn't it?
Yeah, steak karma. That's interesting out of the fridge, though.
Yeah,
I've made that mistake
very,
before.
very important.
Okay. Oil?
So, yeah, a little bit of olive oil. And this is really more about getting the spices to stick more than anything. And because I've got white nails, I'm just going to quickly pop that on.
Just mind that manicure.
I know.
All for that. You should get these at home
All right.
too, Larry,
So
when
just
you find the
quickly,
kitchen.
just quickly rub your steak all over with your olive oil, and then I just add a mixture of cumin,
So it's just a teaspoon,
smoked paprika, and salt and pepper. Yep. And then you just give it a really good rub. And then once it's all completely covered, then you quite simply just bang it in your air fryer. But your air fryer needs to be preheated for 5 minutes just so it's nice and hot.
Oh, so many rules. Okay.
Yeah, I know, but you want the perfect steak, right? So you've got to follow the rules.
How long in the air fryer then?
Okay, so for perfectly medium rare, you want 8 minutes. So 4 minutes and then flip it at 4 minutes.
Right.
That's it, okay.
Yeah. Then we've got another secret.
Yes.
Sorry.
More secrets.
I know, more secrets. So
You're very secretive.
I know. But you want a really good steak, so you've got to try really hard to get it right. Okay, all right.
Yeah.
So you need to let it rest.
Yep.
So when it comes out of the air fryer, you put a nice pat of butter on the top because it'll give you a nice juicy sauce, and wrap it up in some foil and just let it sit for 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes, and that will
Sorry for that
finish
loud
cooking.
crunch. That's Larry now on the onion ring.
Is it going to stay warm?
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, without a doubt, it stays warm. Because you wrapped it in foil. It's pretty hot when it comes out of the air fryer. So then we open him up, and you've got all that beautiful juice that's probably going to spill everywhere.
That's all right. That's all right. I'll clean it up.
Yeah, Larry also washes. He's also familiar with the laundry. And the perfect thing to go with a steak is the onion rings that Larry's eaten 75% of. So are these air fryer onion rings as well?
No, they're not. They're deep fried onion
Okay,
rings.
good chat. Okay. So can I taste this?
Oh, perfection.
That looks so good. What's this? What have you done here?
Now, this is, I just called it my 5 a.m. sauce because it was what I had left over in my fridge as far as herbs are concerned, which is a great way to use up some herbs. So it's a bit like a chimichurri, so it's got some red wine vinegar, some garlic, a little bit of chilli, spring onion, some parsley, and then just whizzed it in the blender with a bit of olive oil. And it's a perfect steak.
Sally calls Cabernet Sauvignon her 5 a.m. sauce.
Look, we all have different sauces, but I'm going to try yours just to mix things up. You have a new book out too.
I do. It hits the shelves today.
And what can we expect in those pages?
Funnily enough, it's all about air fryers.
The air fryer, because you are the air fryer queen.
That. No, I know. Funny, yes, because apparently I'm the air fryer queen now, which is really exciting. Yeah, so in the shops today, which is super
great cover
exciting.
too, Steph. Great cover. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, we'll get the taste test. Sal, what do you think of that?
Sorry, I lost a bit of 5 a.m. sauce. That is amazing.
There is an art to it, eating on TV.
Yeah, a little.
Well, you could
Larry's
talk.
really good at
just get a little bit off the chin. There it is. Steph, lovely to see you. Thank you very much. The air fryer queen. You can find the full recipe over on our website and also in Steph's brand new book, Air Fryer Queen. It is out today. Yum.